Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified when I upload, which will be on Mondays. Today, I am going to start packing for my move this week. I am moving to Burwood, Melbourne, and it's all happening. I've got less than a week left here in Tasmania, and it's so exciting, but I need to get the packing underway because I haven't really started. So, better get a move on now because it's going to be a busy week for me this week, and I want to make sure that I'm not rushing around at the last minute. So, we need to get started pronto. So, let's go. So the first thing I'm going to do is just clear the floor a little bit. Still got stuff just lying around that decluttered. We're slowly sorting through it, but we need some temporary space at the moment. So over here, which is a bunch of my old toys and stuff, which I'll not be taking with me, and that's all the stuff that I won't be taking with me. And some of this stuff on this desk I'm taking, some I'm not. So we'll go through that. So I'm going to shift my room a little bit so I've actually got space to pack. And I'm going to listen to some music while I'm at it. So now I reckon we'd have enough space to start packing, but here's the packing situation. So, here's what I'm doing in terms of packing. I'm taking 2 checked bags, which is going to be this suitcase, which has been my travel suitcase as of recently. This big suitcase that I got from a place in the city. What was it called? I'm going to look it up. Strand bags. These 2 are going to be my checked bags, paid for an extra bag's fee. And then this backpack here is going to be my carry-on. So whatever fits in all of these bags is what I'll be taking. This bag, I think, first. So, the university accommodation people sent out some information a while ago on what to bring. Let me just find it. So, basically, a few of the things that I'll need to bring for my stay on the residential services include bedroom stuff, bed sheets, quilt and quilt cover, pillow and pillowcase, blankets, kitchen stuff, tea towels, cleaning materials, cutlery, cups, glasses, mugs, crockery, cooking materials, cooking utensils, food, laundry, clothes pegs, washing detergent, and they have irons and ironing boards located in their laundry. In the bathroom, bath towel, bath mat, toilet paper, personal hygiene and beauty products. So I have most of these things, and the stuff I don't have, we've decided that it'll be easier for me to just get over there because it won't be practical for me to transport a whole fry pan interstate. Got some stuff that I can use. I got an AeroPress as a gift. I've got a set of elevated kitchen utensils, and I've also got given a set of tea towels, amongst a few other things here and there. So I think we'll start with this bag here, and with the heaviest stuff in this bag, because each checked bag has a maximum weight of 23 kilos, and since this bag is pretty big in itself, it'll be pretty easy to hit 23 kilos with this bag, because it's bigger, but with this one, we can fit more stuff in it, and still get to 23 kilos, if that makes sense. So I think, this bag, I think we do books, maybe beauty products, and just other heavy stuff that can fit. Everything else can go in there, and anything that can't go in checked baggage because of it being thrown around can go in here. So, let's see what we can fit in here. This red suitcase, hopefully it's not under or close to 23 kilos. But this is basically like books, makeup, skincare, all that stuff. I've learnt my lesson, do not put clips in the check luggage, so these will all go on my carry-on. I know I've got quite a collection, but I want all of them. And then there's products that I will pack like on the day that I'm going to need between now and moving out date. So it should be fine. Now, I'm going to see how we'll approach this. This will be a 23 kilo limit, more space. So clothes and stuff will obviously go in here, and like bedding and some kitchen essentials, and just see what fits, and then the rest probably the carry-on. Look at that. So I think for now I'll leave enough clothes for me to wear for the rest of this week, and then everything else can just go in here basically. We've got this extra bedding, and then on moving day I'll take the bedding on my current sheets, I'll wash it, dry it, and then pack it. But we'll pack the spare bedding now, and then this neck pillow that can go in my carry-on, and then we'll do the clothes. And hangers are packed, and so I've got a couple more bath products to put in, but I might just put that in the red suitcase. See if some of this stuff can fit in here. We also need shoes, so let's go get what we need and see what we can fit. These are some more products in like our bathroom cabinets and my bathroom drawer. So these can probably all fit in my toiletries bag, maybe. Maybe this is all fit, I don't know. I'm just gonna experiment and see if this will close. Maybe. But I reckon we can borrow some more stuff in here. These bags that I didn't use anymore might actually come in handy for storing my shoes. There's one or two of them anyway. I'm taking 5 pairs of shoes with me. I'm taking these waterproof hiking shoes, these runners, these Target sneakers, formal shoes. Some other wardrobe essentials in here as well. I'm going to wear these socks, and I've also got underwear hanging out in the washing line that I'm also going to wear throughout the week. So I'll pack those on the day. This clearly isn't going to work, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that little towel trick, lay some clothes out on a towel and then roll it up. It seems to be the best way that we'll do this. So let's just see what we can do and wish me best of luck. This isn't working. I'm going to put the loose stuff in bags, I think, and then see what we can fit. So, out all this stuff goes again. That's this second bag done. I think I'm just going to have to accept, like with books, I can always come back and get them later, and there's like libraries and online stuff, and I can always scan some copies, so work something out. So just put this bag aside. That's done for now. Now we'll do the carry-on bag, which we will need to stick to the 7 kilo limit, which might be a bit tricky, but let's see what we can do. looks like I'm gonna have to reassess further with my packing. Like, this is harder than I thought it would be. Like, I thought it'd just be simple, just put all the stuff into the bags, but it's taking a lot longer than I thought it would. I knew this would happen. I was like, I'm not even taking that much stuff. Dude, I'm taking so much stuff. I don't think all of it is necessary, so I'm gonna have to go through and clear it all out again. But this is where I'm at right now with the packing. Obviously, what was I thinking trying to get it done in one day? I'm just gonna have to pack like sporadically throughout the week, I think. But we've made progress. Now it's just a matter of picking and choosing, because I can always come back later if I'm on a visit to Tassie and get some more stuff. So it's not the end of the world if I don't take everything now. But we've packed these 2 suitcases, roughly, anyway. I'll go back and refine it later in the week. And then, of course, moving day, that's when I'll pack, like, everything up. Or what I can pack, pretty much. But basically, that is going to be it for this pack with me. And work out, do I really need to take it? Can I live without it? Does it spark joy? Do the Marie Kondo method? And if it doesn't, it's not coming with me. At least for now. But yeah, this is all very exciting, packing up some of my life and getting ready to move to Burwood for university. It's so exciting. I'm excited. I've forgotten what it was like to pack for moving. I've moved house twice in my life, but that was within the same state. This is interstate, so it's a whole different experience. And when it comes to suitcases, you're very limited, because I also don't want to have to hire removalists and stuff. I've heard bad experiences of that, and I am trying to live on a budget, so can't really afford it. But I hope you enjoyed this packing vlog, trying to get somewhere as I realise I have too much stuff, and wish me luck with the rest of it. So at this point in time, when you see this video, I will be moved into my accommodation, which will be crazy to think about. It's weird. It's weird. But I'm looking forward to it, and I hope that future me is settling in nicely. So thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a like if you enjoyed, and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any new videos. So, till next time, in my next video, I shall see you then. Goodbye.